in this creative talk और ideas से इंस्पायर कर सकते हैं ये अपनी स्टोरीज शेयर करके. So नमस्कार, my name is Kajal Singh, your host for this afternoon, sorry. आप सभी का हमारे इस क्रिएटिव टॉक शो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और मैं ये आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी इस आयोजन को सफल बनाने में हमारा संपूर्ण सहयोग करेंगे. और आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आज के हमारे गेस्ट के लिए कुछ लाइंस बोलना चाहूंगी. मैं स्टार्ट करूं? सर, मैम, देबुजीत सर.
Yes, you carry on.
Absolutely.
तो मीठी बातें और चेहरे पर मुस्कान, मीठी बातें और चेहरे पर मुस्कान, ऐसे ही अतिथि है आज हमारे इस महफिल की शान. थैंक यू. So I extend a very warm and hearty welcome to both of our guests, Mr. Debojit and Debolina Shibakshi ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. So मैं सबको ये बताना चाहूंगी कि देबोजीत पॉल सर एक टीचर एंड प्रिंट मॉडल है और देबोलिना श्रीबख्शी मैम एक टीचर, सिंगर, ब्लॉगर, पोएट, पॉडकास्टर और टीवी होस्ट है. So yes, मैं देबोलिना श्रीबख्शी मैम से ये अनुरोध करूंगी कि अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं.
Thank you so much, Kajal, for that amazing introduction, and thank you so much for giving me this amazing opportunity to be a part of this wonderful program. What do I say? Yes, okay. So I was not brought up. I was born in Dubai, which falls in the extreme part of Upper Assam. It might be a very small town, but it is an industrial town because it has the oldest functional refinery in the world. So I'm very proud of my hometown. Wherever I go, I make sure that I mention Dubai specifically. Okay, I did my graduation from Rector College, Kolkata. I was a university topper. After that, I went on to do my master's in mass communication and journalism from Tezpur University. Post that, I worked for a year and a half as a news anchor, an English news anchor. And after that, I've continued with Doordarshan, hosting shows for them quite often, both in Hindi and English. मैंने हिंदी में काफी सारे कृषि दर्शन पे shows host किया है, plus reality TV shows मैंने host किया है. Apart from that, of course, I'm a teacher. I've been teaching for the past 5 years. So yes, I'm an English teacher and I love teaching. Presently, I work with Vedantu. I'm a master teacher with Vedantu. And yes, I love singing very much. It's a passion I've always harbored within me. Thank you so much.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच. और हम आपसे जरूर एक गाना सुनेंगे थोड़ी देर बाद लास्ट में. ओके मैम. और मैं अभी देबोजीत पॉल सर को मतलब अनुरोध करती हूँ अपने बारे में कुछ बताने के लिए.
Yeah, so thank you so much for your lovely introduction. Okay, so what's your name? I forgot. Richa, right? Kajal or Richa?
So
Kajal, yeah. So actually I'm basically from Lidu. Okay, my birthplace is Lidu. I pursued, yeah. My father works in Coal India Limited. So I pursued my class 10 from St. Mary's School, Margarita. Then did my HS, passed from Margarita College in Science. Then pursued my bachelor's degree from Aryabhatta College, Guwahati, and eventually completed my master's from Cotton College. Okay, so then eventually I've completed B.Ed also from Guwahati University. So then I got opportunity to work in IT, corporate sector also. The day I completed my master's, I joined Airtel. So there exactly for 1 year, I've been working there for 1 year. Okay, so I didn't like that. So before joining, while I was pursuing my master's, I was a teacher, home tutor. So I think you can understand, I hope you can understand that when I was pursuing my graduation and master's, I needed money also. So to maintain myself, so because my aim was to be a model, print model. So that's the reason I opted for teaching as teaching while I was pursuing a master's. So I thought that I didn't need money. I need to maintain myself, so I need to earn. And being from middle class family, I hope you can understand. I cannot get money or lots of money from my parents, right? So
Yeah.
that's how I came into teaching. So for 1 year, after completion of masters, for 1 year, I have been with the corporate sector here till. So I worked there as a manager, digital manager in sales. So Digbar was my territory for 3-4 months. Okay. Prior to that, Sonitpur, I took care of Sonitpur district. Okay, Tejpur. Okay. So then one fine day, I realized that it's not my cup of tea. Though I got my promotions and all in corporate, it was very good. The salary was very good. So, but then also I was not happy from within. Okay, because my passion was something else. Okay, so that's how I changed that. Yeah, the one day I realized that I need to move on to my teaching career in order to balance everything. My family, though my family was comprised of my father, I don't know, that particular year 2011 maybe. So I thought that I need to quit my corporate sector and I need to move on to my teaching career. So 2011, I came back to Guwahati again to my place. So I joined in one of the school here under CBSE affiliation. Then I joined Gems and Peers. For 2 years, I worked there. Then eventually, I worked in Royal Global School. Now it's been 7 years, 7.5 years. I've been still working in Royal Global School. I worked there as a mathematics teacher. So that's how that's how I'm into this teaching career now. And along with that, I'm a print model also.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah. So that's
ओके सर, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और बहुत ही ज्यादा इंस्पायरिंग है आपका ये स्टोरी। सच में बहुत अच्छा लगा। और अभी मैं देबुलीना श्री बख्शी मैम से ये अनुरोध करूंगी कि मतलब मेरे कुछ क्वेश्चंस है उनके लाइफ से रिलेटेड, तो उनका आंसर दे। तो मैम।
या
यस मैम। तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि व्हाट हैज बीन द बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ योर करियर? व्हाट हैज बीन
yeah, please, sorry, continue.
What has been the best performance of your career?
Okay. Do you mean in terms of profession or in terms of my passion? Like singing is my passion and sometimes my profession, you know. So both. Do you mean both?
Okay, you can say both. Yeah.
Honestly speaking, Kajal, the best moment is yet to come. Okay, I still wait for that one best moment of my life, and it still hasn't come. Every time what I would say is that my students, they love me a lot, and joining Vedantu has been a turning point of my life, I would say, because Vedantu is spread over 35 plus countries. So I get an opportunity to meet students across countries like Dubai and Saudi Arabia. There are students from Kuala Lumpur, Kuwait, and Oman. So what happens is, when they tell me that they love me, they love the teacher in me, and they want to become like me, it feels like one of the greatest rewards of life. But as of now, I still feel that, that one particular best moment of life is yet to come. The day, I'll tell you when it will be. When I successfully establish myself as a writer and poet, that is going to be the best point of my life.
ओके मैम, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत ही अच्छा आंसर है आपका। और अभी मैं देबुजीत पॉल सर से अनुरोध करती हूँ मेरे कुछ क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दे। हेलो सर।
प्लीज। या पूछिए।
हु इज योर फैशन आइकन?
अच्छा, मिलिंद सोमन, अर्जुन रामपाल।
ओके सर, ओके। तो कुछ बताने चाहेंगे क्यों? क्यों मतलब वो आपके फैशन आइकन है?
Because I love their style. I love the way they carry themselves. So means
Okay, okay.
that's what they actually I love that Arjun Rampal is still balancing his fashion standard along with the family. So that's how I am inspired by him and Milind Soman as well, because he is a very good model. I really appreciate both of
Yeah.
them.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So when
Thank you so much.
yeah, so I want to add up also one thing. When I was pursuing my master's and graduation, see, I'm from a very small place, right? So, and I'm happy from I hail from that place. Okay, so I came to Guwahati. Guwahati is big for that. During those times, it was bigger for me. And whenever I walked means whenever I means cross the road and all, I always like to watch the billboards and all, big billboards, right? Billboards, where all the ads, the Arjun Rampal's pictures are there, Hrithik Roshan's pictures are there, all the big stars are there, right? We appreciate them. What a wow factors are there, right?
Okay.
So during those time, so I worked means whenever I work, right? So I think that I'm working on the ramp. So that's how always I think that during those time I was not that. I don't know how handsome I am, but still during those time I felt that someday I will become handsome. I don't know
Yeah.
yet I have achieved that goal or not, but still I'm still working into that. Okay, and whole through my life till my last breath, I will give my 101% to achieve that goal. So whenever I come across the billboards and all, I, uh, I always think that when my picture will be there on those boards, okay. So that was my aim. So eventually, I got that. I have achieved that goal also. I have worked for as a print model for Royal Awaz. It's a construction company in Guwahati.
Yes.
And you know about cool drinks, you know about Big Bazaar. I have worked in Big Bazaar also in Kolkata, means FBB Bazaar. I have worked with them also. Then I did a assignment with one of the cold drinks company also in Guwahati, where entire whole billboard was my picture was there. So whenever I come across those pictures, it was in the year of 2014 or 15. So I thought that yeah, I have achieved my goal somewhere. 1% I've achieved. So that was one of my achievements. Small achievement, but I was happy with that.
Wow.
That's all.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Well,
Thank you
David.
so much. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. So मैं अब आती हूँ डेबोलिना श्री बख्शी मैम के पास और मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन.
Kajal, I'm so sorry for cutting in between. You can call me Debolina ma'am. You don't have to call it Debolina Bakshi. Sounds very long, so you're just gonna call me Debolina ma'am. It's fine.
मैम ओके ओके. सो डेबोलिना मैम मैं आपसे फिर दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन करना चाहूंगी. So who is your ideal musician to collaborate with and why?
Wow. I think most of us struggling singers have some, this great aim of someday meeting A.R. Rahman, the great musical genius. So he is my most favorite musician, and someday I hope and I pray that I get to meet this genius.
Yes, you will definitely.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So much.
I don't know, we are all struggling singers, and it's not that I take singing as a profession. I take it as a passion, more like, so my work takes up so much of my time that I hardly have, time to pursue singing as a career or go for, these auditions and shows and stuff. Okay. But as much as possible, I try to stay informed. I try to do a lot of yoga and exercises to make sure that my voice is not impacted because of the continuous lectures in class and stuff. So yeah, maybe if God wills, I will end up meeting A.R. Rahman ji someday.
Wow, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Debojit sir के पास मैं फिर से आती हूँ दूसरे क्वेश्चन के लिए.
Yeah, please. Yeah, can you repeat? Hello.
Yes, आपके पास मैं फिर से आती हूँ दूसरे क्वेश्चन के लिए.
Please.
What's your secret for a healthy body? What's your
Oh.
secret for your healthy body?
No, that also I have one thing. I'm yet to achieve my healthy body. I'm healthy, okay, but still I want that abs and all. I'm lean, but yet not achieved that. Okay, still under construction. I used to visit my gym. It's very good. I do calisthenics. Okay, my teacher, you can say, gym instructor, they are both husband and wife. They take care of mine very nicely. They take care of each and everything. Post workout also they give few of the tips that so that I can maintain my lean body. I'm lean, but still I need to achieve more. Okay, because yesterday I have done one assignment, one shoot, but I was not happy with that. Okay, so still under construction, and hopefully you will see me one day in a good shape.
No sir, अभी भी आप बहुत ही अच्छे का बॉडी बहुत ही अभी भी बहुत ही अच्छा है.
Yeah, still so you have to drink lots of water.
Yes, of course.
You have to intake your food right on time. After equal intervals of time, interval, you have to make one big lunch like one barbecue. Few people used to have lunch like king, right? So you should not have it in that way. You should break that lunch into 4 segments, okay, or fragments, you can say. So that's how you have to intake your food. Like in the morning, I used to drink water followed by turmeric and ginger, warm water. Then after 1 hour, I used to have my oats with the walnuts. Then after 1.5 hours, I used to have 1 apple and 1 tomato, okay, or cucumber or pomegranate or whatever fruit you have, you can, okay. Then after 2 hours, I used to have my lunch. Lunch comprises of 5 egg white, okay. I don't take that yellow portion. Along with whatever vegetables, as much vegetables you can have, you should have actually. And less carbohydrate, like rice, 1 bowl of rice. And at 3 p.m. again, I used to have my oats, 1 bowl. So in that way, you have to maintain actually. And you should have your dinner as early as possible, followed by liquid diets like soup and all. If you follow it, it's for everyone. It's not like that for me. It's for everyone actually. So most of the people does that thing that they used to have dinner at around 10:30, and which is very bad. You should have as early as possible, followed by water, and that's how I do actually. I do, so that's the reason actually I shared my stuff with you.
Yes sir. Okay, wow. Thank you so much sir. और मैं फिर देबोलीना मैम के पास आती हूँ मेरे तीसरे क्वेश्चन को लेकर. So hello ma'am.
Yes, I'm here. I'm listening.
Yes ma'am. Any advice for the ones who gets demotivated in small failure?
Small failures, right? You're talking about small failures. Okay.
Who gets demotivated in small failures?
I think we all have ups and downs in life, right? So our life is, composed of black and white. So if you can celebrate when success comes, why can't you take your failures also? Why can't you celebrate failures? Take it as lessons in life. Every single failure is a lesson for you to grow stronger. So I have failed so many times in life. I have been rejected in interviews and I have felt so terrible at times. But I haven't let myself down. Every time I felt, okay, this is the time I need to grow stronger than ever. And that's how I've grown as much as possible. Little failures in life should not at all be setbacks. But yes, a huge failure sometimes can put you into, a dilemma as to what to do because you've failed on a massive scale. Okay, but I'll tell you what, one of my favorite writers, J.K. Rowling, the one who wrote Harry Potter, she had said that some people live their entire lives so consciously, so cautiously that they barely live at all, in which case they fail by default. So if you don't take risks in life, then you will fail by default. You are a failure. So you have to fail in order to succeed in life. I feel that is one very important thing. Even the life of Newton tells us. Newton failed 10,000 times in an experiment before he finally came up with E is equal to mc squared, the theory of relativity. And then he said that I did not fail 10,000 times. I actually found out 10,000 ways in which it would not work. So if they could fail on a massive scale and still come back stronger, why can't we?
Yes.
That's what I say.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kajal.
पॉल सर से मैं तीसरी क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगी और हेलो सर.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
please.
Some tips that you can personally follow in modeling.
Pardon. Can you repeat?
Yes, sir. Some tips that you personally follow in modeling.
Yeah. So the thing is that you have to think yourself to be a queen, like you're a girl, so you think yourself to the queen. Wherever you go, you think that you are a queen. And actually, I thought like that. I am not a king, but still, mentally, I think that whenever I walk, I think that I'm the king. And all of you should all people should follow me. So that's an attitude that builds my confidence.
Sir, could I interrupt if you don't mind? Could I say something? Just
yes,
to
yes,
add
please,
to you.
please.
Yes,
please.
Thank you so much, sir. I would just like to add to you because you said follow your heart, be the queen of your own heart. Like I've always considered myself to be a princess. Like I want to be this princess. I don't really have to be a royal to be a princess, but I can be a princess at heart, be kind and generous, and still consider myself somebody who will lead the society. People will look up to me because I am that princess. So
yeah,
I love the way you
mentioned. You're great. You are a very good orator, Devolina Silakshi, right? Yeah, same here. So I'm not a good orator. My words are very simple.
Good. You are good. You're really good. I like your image. It's really good.
So that's how actually. That's how. So life is very simple actually. So what's the question? Can you please repeat, Kajal? Kajal, can
yes,
you please?
Some tips that you can you personally follow in modeling.
What?
Yeah.
Tips, yeah. Tips. That's how so I was in that confidence, right? Building confidence. So building confidence is a very important thing actually. So in you should like Ms. Devolina, what she say it was very good. It was very good. My language was very simple and her language was apt. Okay. So that's how you have to think yourself to be the king. And when I walk on the ramp, I think myself to be the king. All the people are behind me. That's my attitude actually. I'm not that kind of guy. Okay, means I want to keep my life very simple. Because that's how actually, and your confidence is very important. You should perceive positive attitude in everywhere. Whenever you fail, because I too fail lots of times. Okay, but I thought that is a learning lesson for me. Till date, if I go for shoots and all, sometimes my shoot is not that up to the mark. Like sometimes I become overconscious before the camera. So my designer used to say that what happened, Debojit, you are not up to the mark. You are not that Debojit ball. Yesterday I did 2 shoots back to back. Okay, so the second shoot was good, but that's not good. My designer was he's a very good fashion designer in Northeast, Prashant Ghosh. He told me that Debojit, where was that wow factor? Okay, so I told that somewhere actually I was exhausted. So see, people will not understand my exhaustness, my negativity actually. People will see my accuracy. So to be accurate, you have to give your 101%, and that's how life is. You cannot compromise with the quality. That's how. And whenever I do everything, I try to be perfect in everywhere. Somewhere I achieve my success, somewhere I fail. So that's how I'm following everything. That's how.
Okay,
it's a bit lengthy.
For you. आंसर। और मैं अभी आप दोनों के लिए एक मतलब सिमिलर क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी। हेलो,
Yes.
Yeah,
आप हैं?
yes.
यस, तो मैम पहले मैं आपसे स्टार्ट करूंगी। व्हिच क्वालिटीज डू यू थिंक दैट मेक ए गुड परफॉर्मर?
First of all, you have to be really good at what you're doing. Like if you are into singing and if you don't have a gifted voice, then I don't think you should go for it. So first of all, you need to have that thing inside you that you have to recognize the gift in you. If you have the gift in you, whether you are a dancer or a model or a singer or a guitarist or whatever you are, okay, you have to know, recognize your talent first. What are you good for? Then go for it. Second, you have to have confidence, not overconfidence, but confidence. And the third, and perhaps one of the most important things, is that you have to practice religiously. One day of practice, you miss that session, you realize the next day itself, you realize that somewhere you are falling short of confidence. You need to, you know,
Yes,
these three,
yes,
I feel, are the most important ones.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर योर आंसर। और मैं अभी देवजीत सर से यही क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी। हेलो सर।
Yeah. Can you please repeat the question?
So yes, of course. Which qualities do you that make a good performer?
Yeah, your attitude, positive attitude. And you should know yourself first. You should love yourself. I love myself actually. Then I love my wife and my family, my father he is sitting next to me. Okay, I love everyone. But first of all, I love myself actually. If you love yourself, only then you can spread love amongst others. Okay, that is very important. Next is you should know your USP, unique selling point. I know my USP. I know my USP when I face my camera and all. I know which profile looks the best on me. So that's how I go ahead. So that is a USP is unique selling point. That is very important for everyone. It's not like for me or for you have to be performer anywhere. Every individual in this universe has USP. USP, you have to utilize that USP to be successful. To be successful, actually. You are so can I ask you one thing, Kajal? What do you do? Now I am asking you, what do you do? Are you a student?
So I'm a student, sir.
Yeah, from which college? From which place?
I am for study purpose. I'm living in Guwahati only, but yet now because it is lockdown, so I am in Margherita. Yeah.
Margate.
I'm
okay.
Arya Vidyapit College. Arya Vidyapit College.
Yeah, I passed out my graduation from that college only. Very nice. Achha. So now the thing is that, so you are a student, right? You are pursuing your studies in bachelor's degree or master's, whatever, from Arya Vidyapit College, ABC. So you also think that you means wherever you go, you also have that feeling, right? That everybody should love yourself. Means everybody should attract towards yourself, right? Every individual has. Okay, so you also have your USP to work into that and love yourself. Only then you can love your parents, and only then you can love your beloved husband or whosoever. So that's what I want to say. That's my feelings actually I'll share with you.
Yes, sir. थैंक यू सो मच। और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि जिस कॉलेज में मैं पढ़ रही हूँ उसी कॉलेज से आप पढ़े हुए हैं। थैंक यू सो मच आपके इस आंसर के लिए, बहुत ही बहुत धन्यवाद।
सेम हियर।
यस सर, यस। और मैं दूसरा सिमिलर क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगी आप दोनों को। वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर समथिंग अबाउट योर जर्नी? लाइक आपका जर्नी मॉडलिंग में है, तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि मतलब कुछ समथिंग आप अपने जर्नी के बारे में शेयर करें हमारे साथ, या मॉडलिंग जर्नी के बारे में।
मॉडलिंग जर्नी के बारे में
सर जैसे आपने थोड़ा पहले बता ही दिया है और कुछ अगर हो तो। या
modeling means you have to be the best actually. You have to look the best. You have to carry whatever you carry, you have to carry with confidence. Wherever you go, people should follow you. So that needs practice. Yeah. So I want to add up. Actually, Miss Devolina has also um, means pointed that topic like practice. Practice is very important. Practice means somewhere like yesterday I had shoot. One night before I worked into the concept. I practiced. Practice means I have to be in that what to do means to be like a king. Okay, so like Romans. So yesterday's concept was like Romans. Romans used to wear jewelry, the kings and all, that kind of attitude they need to perceive. So I too had to be in that. So that's also need practice. One night before, I practiced a lot. I gone through lots of pictures similar to that kind of concept. So that actually that needs practice. Actually, everything needs practice, and that's what I want to say.
सर मैं और एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि मतलब जो ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स जो होते हैं ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स
Yes.
उससे मतलब कितना अलग है जैसे मतलब क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स और ये जो मॉडलिंग जो है
देखिए मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट कॉन्टेस्ट में गया था ठीक है so I have been to that contest also but somewhere it didn't click. I failed. I was amongst top 10. Okay, but whatever means comments I achieved during those 2010. I'm talking about 2010. Yeah, 2010. I was pursuing my master's in mathematics in Cotton College. During those times, my hoarding was somewhere moving around. Along with that, announcement was going on. Like it's like a contest, right? For girls, it was a beauty pageant. For boys, it was a Mr. Northeast contest. So the first batch I have competed there. So I failed. I was amongst top 10. So when I was asked question to be in the top 5, question answer round, somewhere I couldn't reply. Okay, because I saw my dad sitting next to me. Okay, so somewhere I got confused. I became nervous. The way I'm talking to you now, I was not that, means I couldn't even talk. During means 2009, 10, I was not able to talk actually. I'm not a good orator. I'm still working into this. Okay, so that's the reason I couldn't reply. I saw my father from I got nervous. But Hemant Trivedi was there. Hemant Trivedi is a very good fashion designer. Okay, so he was there. He was asking me question. Along with him, one Miss first runner, Famina Miss India's first runners up during those times, 2009 or 2008. She was also there. So I got nervous somewhere. So that's the reason actually I have. I couldn't got that title, Mr. Northeast. Okay, but still my name was there. My judge also told that you were. I thought that you will be the winner. So that time I failed. I thought that it's okay. Now I'm a model. Okay, I'm doing means I'm not doing that kind of shoots, lots of shoots every day. No, not like that. I do few shoots where I get good one, apart from payment and apart from recognition. Recognition also matters. You cannot do whatever you get. Okay, so that also matters. The quality of work is also important. So I do very less work, but I think I do good quality work. I am associated with Kunal Kaushik also. Mr. Kunal Kaushik, he's a very good fashion designer in Guwahati. So that's how beauty pageant is all about. Beauty pageant is all about overall development of an individual. If you face, it's a very good thing. It's a very good thing. It's a grooming. Everything will be there. You will learn how to face people. How you will learn how to compete with the best. You will learn how to work. Grooming is very important. So that's how that's what I want to say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you got your answer from my question.
Yes, sir.
Did you get any answer from my question? From your
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Obviously. बहुत
okay,
कुछ
okay.
मुझे मिला है आपके हर एक आंसर से.
नहीं, आंसर
Okay.
मेरा कभी कभार भटक जाता है एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन से, क्योंकि मैं
नहीं,
थोड़ा
but,
सा
वही आया.
आ गया ना.
Yes.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. तो मैम, देबोलीना मैम से मैं पूछना चाहूंगी. हेलो मैम.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes.
Before you say anything, Kajal, I would like to correct myself. I made a terrible mistake when I said that E is equal to mc squared with Newton's. It was actually the inertia of motion, which was the laws of motion were discovered by Newton. It was Einstein's E is equal to mc squared. Einstein is famous all over the world. I'm extremely sorry for this wrong information. But yes, the 10,000 times that I mentioned were definitely Newton's failures. Not failures, actually. He found out those ways which wouldn't work. So I'm sorry, I just made this correction.
It's okay, it's okay. Yes, ma'am. Same question मैं आपसे भी यही पूछना चाहूंगी. Would you like to share something about your singing journey या फिर आपका teaching journey के बारे में? अच्छा, आप teaching journey के बारे में ही कुछ बातें बताएं हमें. जैसे कैसे ये start हुआ, या फिर मतलब ये आपने छोटे बचपन में सोचा था, या फिर या
बचपन में, you know what, Kajal, a lot of kids have this tendency to take up a piece of chalk and start teaching randomly. Every kid, I think, does that. Okay, most kids, if not every kid, but most kids do this. Okay, they imagine themselves to be their teachers, because usually, you know, we idolize our teachers because they are the mentors. Since, you know, when school life begins, we look up to them a lot. So we, coming back home, we think that, okay, I am Miss something, Miss Sharma or something, okay, and I start teaching randomly. So even then, I didn't really think that I would be a teacher. All my life, the one person I wanted to be was, I wanted to be a journalist. I did not want to be a teacher. Okay, but then something happened, you know, even when I was anchoring shows and stuff, when I was reading news. Okay, my father is an English teacher, and one day I sort of taught a few students of his, and I realized that I could actually motivate students. I did not just teach them, I inspired them. It felt, you know, it was so amazing and rewarding that I thought, why not give it a try? But I'm not comparing between journalism and teaching. They are both wonderful and unique professions, but I somehow feel drawn towards teaching. And because my father is an excellent teacher of English, I learned so much from him, from motivating to inspiring to loving students. And now I realize that wherever I go, I'm showered with, you know, so much love. Sometimes I start crying because the love that I get from students, I don't think I even got from my friends. But I never had friends in my life because somehow I couldn't make friends. I mean, I never had friends at school. People used to laugh at my accent. I've got a different kind of an accent. You must have heard it. So I've been through all sorts of incidents. Okay. So I never had friends, but now I can proudly say that I've got students who are really, really appreciative of the things that I do, and they love me. God, they love me. And so I'm very blessed that I am a teacher, and I'm very blessed that I've been able to inspire people. The best thing that you can do is inspire, whether you're a model or a teacher or a singer, whatever you are. Be an inspiration to the people around you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Of course. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. तो इसी के साथ मतलब आज बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे आप लोगों के साथ ऐसे इंटरेक्ट होके, that I am feeling that मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा lucky हूँ.
No, I was very happy actually to meet you, and my heartfelt gratitude to Mitali ma'am for contacting me regarding this. So
same here,
Yeah.
Kajal. Yeah, I'm also, it's an opportunity for me actually to share my feelings, my views, my ideas, my experiences with you all. It's a very I don't know how means how far I have inspired, but still one day I'll inspire you a lot. I want to make everybody proud actually. I don't know how far I'll go, but still it's in process. Okay, I want to make Northeast proud at least, even though I failed to go for India. At least I want to make Northeast proud. And Lidu to already I want to be proud. The Lidu, I'm from always from Lidu, and I am a boy from Lidu actually. So though I'm based
Wow.
in Guwahati now, so that's my views, that my feelings actually. Thank you so much, Kajal, and thank you so much, Mitali Di, Piali Di, and all of you. I see the Miss Divya also. So all of you, that entire group. So thank you so much, and thank you so much. And you all are doing a wonderful job. It's very good. It's a very good. Being from a place from my place, you all are doing an excellent job. Okay, which can't even I can't think about that, because I always think of myself, so I cannot think of others. So you all are doing a splendid job actually. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you so much, all of you, all of you.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू
Yes,
सो मच हमारे
absolutely.
फॉर्म में आने के लिए। इतने सारे मतलब जैसे आंसर आप लोगों ने दिया, सच में मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा इंस्पायर हुई हूँ, और सब लोग हुए होंगे सच में। और सर आपकी स्टोरी मतलब यहाँ से जाके हर एक चीज सच में बहुत ही ज्यादा रिलेटेबल ही बोल सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। एंड मैम थैंक यू सो मच। हेलो मैम, है कि नहीं मैम?
Yes, I can hear you.
थैंक यू सो मच। एंड आपका
Thank
वो
you.
yes.
Thank you so much
Hello.
for
Yeah, thank you so much.
making me a
Can
part
we
of
leave
this
now?
event.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you so
Bye.
much. Yeah, thank you
Yes.
all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.